Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with the essentials. Make sure you're on a business or creator account and have admin rights to the connected Facebook page. Once done, open your Instagram profile and tap Edit Profile. This is where the action begins. You'll link the page under Public Business Information, so confirm access now. Decide your CTA's purpose: contact, booking, ordering, or website visits, because that choice dictates which button options Instagram shows you and which external integrations you'll need. Next, you configure the CTA itself. Tap Action Buttons or Contact options and choose Add Action Button. You'll pick a provider. Instagram may show native Facebook tools or third-party partners, and then enter required details like a booking URL, phone number, or service account. Make sure to customize the CTA label so it matches your goal. Concise text converts better. Once filled, preview the button on your profile and test the link behavior to confirm it opens the intended destination. Finish by testing the CTA thoroughly. Tap it from your profile on iOS and Android, try a private browser, and confirm the flow completes: booking, call, or form submission. If the button fails, make sure page permissions are intact and reconnect the provider in settings. Often a permission refresh fixes broken integrations. Finally, monitor clicks in Instagram Insights to measure performance and iterate weekly. Adjust the label, link, or provider based on behavior to keep conversions improving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.